Welcome back to Joy Art for Kids. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute little bee. Are you ready? Let's go step by step. Step 1, let's draw the shape of the bee. First, draw a big circle near the top. This will be the bee's head. Now, draw two big round eyes. Add two smaller circles inside for the pupils. Leave a little white for sparkle. Looking cute already? Next, draw two short curvy lines on top of the head for the antennae, with a little circle on each tip. Now draw a big oval under the head. That's the body. Let's split it into 3 or 4 curved sections for the bee's stripes. Add 2 big wings on each side, and 2 smaller wings below. Now draw a tiny stinger at the bottom, like a triangle or teardrop shape. And finally, draw a smiling mouth with a little tongue inside. Awesome! Let's trace the outline with a bold line to make it pop. And be careful not to go out of the lines, okay? Step 2, let's color it in. Color the head and body bright yellow. Then, color the stripes black. Use light blue or soft gray for the wings, to make them look see-through. Color the pupils black and leave some white for a shiny sparkle. Color the mouth black, and the tongue red. Don't forget to color the antennae and stinger black too. And you're all done. Your little bee looks beautiful. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time on Joy Art for Kids.